Hey there! Today we're going to paint a simple stylized underwater bubble. Let's start with the second darkest color and make the general round shape. It can be even wobblier than this. Then switch to the darkest color and make some shadows at the bottom. I'm avoiding touching the border and so I leave out the gap. Moving to the next colors and filling in more at the top. Also mix in some smaller shapes here and there. Don't paint too evenly and symmetrical. Bring in some variation. Combine circles, ovals and bean shapes. At the very top we have the highlights. Don't want to overdo it with those, but also try to make more than just one small shape. As the last little touch, use a soft tool and make the spots a bit glowy looking. And that's it. It is a lot of fun to make all sorts of different shapes, so experiment around. If you want to learn more, I have a tutorial about underwater bubbles that is much more detailed and extensive. Alright. Thank you a lot for watching and have fun drawing.